different device to see if the internet is working properly. Advanced fixes. 1. Flush your DNS. This can help clear out any outdated DNS cache entries that might be causing connection issues. Look up instructions on how to flush DNS for your specific operating system. 2. Check firewall settings. Sometimes firewalls can block Roblox from connecting. Make sure Roblox is allowed through your firewall. 3. Use a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting directly to your router with an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. 4. Temporarily disable antivirus, VPN. In rare cases, antivirus software or VPNs can interfere with Roblox. Try temporarily disabling them to see if it resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable them afterwards for security. 5. Change DNS servers. You can try using a different DNS server like Google Public DNS or OpenDNS. There are guides online on how to change DNS server settings. Roblox-specific fixes. 1. Check Roblox status. Roblox occasionally experiences server outages. You can check their status page linked to status.roblox.com to see if there are any known issues. 2. Reinstall Roblox. If none of the above solutions work, you can try reinstalling Roblox completely. This will ensure you have the latest version and no corrupted files.